Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky tech problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Xfinity Modem Blinking White 2025 issue. If you've got an Xfinity modem flashing a white light, it can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often an easy fix. Let's get straight to it. First off, what does that blinking white light mean? Typically, on Xfinity modems, a solid white light indicates everything's connected and working fine. But if it's blinking, it could signal that your modem is in setup mode, undergoing a firmware update, or dealing with a network connection problem. This is especially common with newer 2025 models, which have enhanced smart features but can sometimes glitch during updates. Now, let's talk about possible causes. It might be as simple as a loose cable, a power surge, or even an outage from your internet service provider. Other culprits could include outdated firmware or interference from nearby devices. The good news is, you can troubleshoot this at home without calling a pro right away. Step 1. Check all your cables. Make sure the coaxial cable, power cord, and any Ethernet connections are securely plugged in. Give them a gentle wiggle to ensure nothing's loose. Sometimes, that's all it takes. Step 2. Try restarting your modem. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This reboot can resolve minor software glitches and allow any pending updates to complete. If that doesn't work, head to Step 3. Access the Xfinity app or website. Log into your account and check for any service alerts in your area or updates for your modem. You might need to run a diagnostic test from there. For more advanced fixes, reset your modem to factory settings, but be careful, as this will erase any custom configurations. Hold the reset button on the back for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. If you're still seeing that blinking white light, it's time to contact Xfinity support. They can check for broader issues like account problems or hardware faults. There you have it, quick and easy ways to get your Xfinity modem back on track. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key with tech troubles. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.